everybody, my name is Karen and I'm the counselor here at Plexuss. Welcome to the workshop on what can you do with a major within the Liberal Arts and Humanities. This workshop is geared towards those students who are interested in majoring in something within the Liberal Arts and Humanities department. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's move on to a list of majors/careers that you can go into that are related to liberal arts and humanities. We have classic and ancient history, creative writing, English, foreign language, history, linguistics, philosophy, and theology and religious studies. Let's move on to why should you study humanities? The first reason we have is that this field helps build cross-cultural understanding. In some of the majors such as history, maybe classic and ancient history, maybe even foreign language, you'll be learning a lot about cultures and a lot about how other cultures adapt, etc. You'll challenge your creativity and analytical thinking skills. Within these majors, of course, you're going to be faced with a lot of writing and probably a lot of creativity as well. You'll develop strong written and verbal communication skills, expand your worldview, and clarify your values and become an informed citizen. Of course, you'll be learning a lot about the world and a lot about cultures within these majors. Let's move on to why should you study humanities part 2. You should consider studying humanities if first, you're fascinated by other cultures. As I have mentioned, within these majors, you'll be learning a lot about other cultures in majors such as history, classic and ancient history, foreign language, philosophy, etc. You want to speak a foreign language. That is, if you're interested in learning another language, then you should major in something within the foreign language industry. You hope to become the next best-selling author. If writing is something that you're passionate about, then majoring in something such as creative writing may be something for you. You always question the status quo. If this is something that you do, and if something that you're wondering about, then majoring in something such as history or philosophy may be something for you. You're passionate about women's rights. If you would like to learn more about women's rights, then majoring in something such as history or classic and ancient history may be something for you. And finally, you're planning on becoming a religious leader. If religion is something that you're passionate about, then majoring in something such as theology and religious studies, maybe in philosophy, could be something for you as well. And finally, what can you do with a humanities degree? There are a variety of industries that you can choose from. Careers in humanities are diverse. Many skills gained from a humanities program are considered soft skills, which translate well into a number of different jobs. So I guess another name for soft skills could be transferable skills. The specific humanities major you choose will help you narrow down this further. Many humanities careers fall into these upcoming sectors: education, finance, management, media, law, nonprofit, and marketing. Of course, there are other industries that students can choose from, but this is just a list of the most common industries that people who major in something within the liberal arts and humanities go for. Alright, we have reached the end with this workshop. Thank everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexuss app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexuss YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexuss YouTube page is called Plexuss Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.